I'm 75. Why in the heck am I doing YouTube? Hi, I'm Diane. This video is going to be short. I was going to show you my next project. Can you see it? It's a little Maltipoo at the beach. I'm going to paint it. I've already got the pattern drawn on here. I don't know when I'm going to get to do it because I'm so busy with my sewing workroom right now. But I'll get to it. It just happens to be right here. Okay. Why YouTube? And I'm sure that's what my children were thinking when I bought a camera. I was asking them all these questions because I knew nothing. I know nothing technically. Seriously. I had to have one of my granddaughters to come and show me how to use Adobe, where you edit your videos. I don't like to do that, so I try not to have to do that. But anyway, here I am making videos at age 75. Why? Well, one reason is for a legacy. I don't get to see my family much anymore. My grandkids don't really spend a lot of time with me. I can't share my life with them and tell them the stories that I used to tell them. Now, when they were smaller, they all came to my house maybe once every month or two and had a big spend the night party, and we would do fun things, make their own pizza. We'd always had a dance contest. Sometimes we'd paint on cheap canvases, something like that. I made it fun. They had it fun. I went to bed and they had fun all night. I could hear them. So that is one reason. I want them, when I'm gone, they can go back to YouTube and look at my videos and go, well, there's Gran, look at her ghost stories. I mean, because that was a biggie for us. We'd get in the van and go hunt ghosts at night. Just something fun. They had a ball. They had a ball. And I hope they always remember that Gran's house was fun. That's number one. Not the most important, but it's number one. Number two is I'm tired. I want to retire. I've been working all of my life, standing on my feet. And you think, well, you sew. Don't you get to sit down? No. I make Roman shades. I have to stand on my feet the whole time. I get to sit down maybe for 10 seconds every now and then, but then I have to stand back up. I have no seams in the front of my Romans. They're beautiful. So, that, and I know YouTube doesn't pay that well. I mean, you'd have to have a lot of videos and a lot of watches and all that stuff to make any kind of money, but I don't need much. Social Security is not enough. It's not enough. I don't want to live without anything. I don't want to be afraid to buy groceries or feed my dogs well. I cook for them, which is going to be a video tomorrow. I'll show you what I cook for them. I mean, I don't want to be without money. I go nowhere, I spend no money. But there are things that I want on Amazon sometimes. I'm finished with the house completely. I just had this porch screened in. I'm completely done. So I don't need any more money. I just need to be able to live comfortably. That's all I want. Isn't that all anybody wants, really? It should be all anyone wants. Any leftovers that I have from here on out will be shared with someone, somewhere, somehow. Because that's who I am. I'm not going to hoard money and put it back for what? No. Okay, number 3. I need to talk to someone sometimes. I'm all alone all the time. I see the UPS man twice a week maybe. I just wave at him. I mean, I don't get to talk to him. And I have an associate that I work with that brings fabric or picks up an order. But we usually do that like on the back porch. He picks it up and leaves something and he's gone. Now, I do talk to him on the phone a lot, and that's okay. I guess I talk to him more than anyone in the world. But I still, and sometimes I open up to him and just get started rambling and talk. He does the same with me. So we're okay. We're friends. We're good friends. Anyway, I need to talk to someone, so I'm talking to you. And when you respond, like send me a comment or like my video or, oh my God, subscribe to my video. Do you know how affirming that is to me? It makes me feel, I can't even tell you how it makes me feel. I've been the happiest this past week that I've been in years and years and years. Just, you have made me happy. Your comments have made me happy. Some of your comments are so kind. I can't believe it. Thank you for that. Number 4, and the last one. I make videos for my grandson Kurt, who passed away. He wanted to make videos so badly. He was constantly on his phone looking at videos and laughing, and he got me to watching videos on YouTube. So I do it for him. He couldn't do it, so I'm doing it for him. And I guess that's the real reason I'm doing it for Kurt. He kept talking about he was going to get a camera and everything he needed, and he was going to start making videos, and dang, some asshole ran into him and took his life. I'm sorry. Anyway. Okay, at the end of this video, you will see my dog's face pop up. Just click on it. You can subscribe right there. And liking, you can see that. And I would love a comment. These are all meaning the world to me. Thank you so much. So very, very much. Until next time, love's coming your way from me. Thank you so much.